ChainNinja is a strategic consulting company. We incorporate blockchain technology for multiple firms in multiple industries. What blockchain is a distributed ledger. Think of it as a way of tracking your assets. It takes away the power from a centralized entity. Think about that as far as the bank is concerned. Right now, the bank has control of your dollars. Blockchain tells the public that you have the ability to prevent what's called double spend.
It was really difficult to have true money on the internet because of the double spend problem. You never know, like, if I sent 2 coins to you and I also sent the same 2 coins to the other person. So basically blockchain creates this distributed ledger that everyone's on. It runs on everyone's computers at the same time. So everyone's on the same account and they can trust that if I sent you 2 coins, I can't send this other person 2 coins.
Right now, ChainNinja focuses on multiple use cases. We're talking about Bitcoin as far as a token. We can think in terms of that token having any valuable asset that's out there. And in terms of multiple verticals, that asset can be a title, that asset can be a physical location, so in real estate, an apartment, housing, condo, what have you. It can have copyright, which could be music or videos or files or anything, again, anything that you and I say has value can be attributed to that token.
My name is Nicholas Tono and I'm the Director of Enterprise Solutions for ChainNinja. My background is in healthcare. I've owned a medical device company for the past 5 years on Long Island, Brooklyn and Queens. We specialize in orthopedics. I was a consultant for Johnson & Johnson for 7 years, in which I ran a sales department, new hire training, and, as well as many other facets of the business for them. Right now is a very exciting time at ChainNinja. We are expanding. We have grown from just a development company here in New Jersey as well as in India to opening up a new product office in Cleveland, Ohio called the Protocol Blockchain.
What ChainNinja does is we help with the ideation of specific use cases for blockchain technology. When we go to different corporations, whether they're Fortune 500, Fortune 50, or those companies that are starting off and have no idea where to start off with and come with a great business idea, we evaluate whether or not the use of blockchain technology will have value for that specific company.
My name is Mark Saturn. I work at ChainNinja in business development. I've got over 20 years of experience in the technology space, providing technology solutions for workforces as well as blockchain strategy and implementation.
So when I was working for the state of New Jersey, the funny thing was they put a typewriter in front of me and it was 1997, and a typewriter even in 1997 was something that I was very surprised to see, and I asked them what they wanted me to do with it. And they wanted me to spit out dairy licenses and permits and so forth. Well, over the next couple of weeks, I went to the library, which I'm sure nowadays people don't know what that is with Google and so forth, but I went to the library, picked up some books as far as Visual Basic and Access, and I developed my own application that spit out these forms that I was supposed to do manually or on the typewriter. What I realized at that time was that I was very much into process improvement.
So here at ChainNinja, we offer our clients a consultative approach and holistic solutions. We offer things like strategy, implementation planning that encompasses third-party integration. We also offer operations and implementation. And really, when we're working with our clients, it really is a strategic solution.
Next, what I would like to do is introduce you to Peter Parada, who is my Managing Director of Sales. Peter is very instrumental in bringing wonderful relationships to our organizations to, again, promote blockchain technologies mainstream. I'll also introduce another person who is instrumental to our development of blockchain technologies. Developing a team onshore is something that we are fostering in our organization, and one of the leaders of that is Navia, and she is our Solidity Ethereum developer. One of the key people that I have on my team, his name is Tom Einecker. He's the managing partner of ChainNinja.
A very exciting thing for ChainNinja, and something that I've noticed in my 5 months tenure, 6 months tenure here now, I started in May, it's November, is we were 3 people, and now we're 30. The extent of projects that we have under our belt. We've now launched our first blockchain technology alongside Opinion Economy, and we have a lot more to accomplish with them within the upcoming year. We have a hospital system that's in the works right now, in Cleveland that we'll be doing a blockchain project with. We're working on a title situation and a title blockchain for the state of Ohio as well.
We start off where I started off, which was process improvement. Being able to create efficiencies where you have inefficiencies. When we go to a company and we have strategic sessions, we uncover what the inefficiencies are, and then we come up with the use cases based on those inefficiencies. When we create the use case, we have to look at whether or not blockchain technology will also scale within their current infrastructure, whether or not they will actually have the ability to consume blockchain technology. We go into a company, and if they have legacy systems that are not able to scale, we help them create a roadmap on how to get them to that point where they have the ability to scale. We have to take an agnostic view when we're creating a solution for a client. Not all blockchains, not all platforms and protocol are fit for specific use cases. What we find that really helps is a team of DevOps experts that have the ability to deploy, whether or not they're physical servers or whether or not it's AWS or Azure for cloud infrastructure. We have the ability to help them deploy their application. That's a big asset.
I believe within 6 months, the explosive growth that ChainNinja has seen of the amount of projects that we now are working on, the amount of projects that we have that come to us across our desk, the consulting that we're doing in many different states, not just here in New York State, but across the United States in California, Florida, Cleveland, Ohio, Dallas, Texas. Our reach within 6 months has been explosive. And for me, being in an industry that's kind of new, having a healthcare background, it's been rather impressive to see.
Really, when we're working with our clients, it really is a strategic solution. We work with them to solve problems and prepare our clients for future growth to meet their real business needs and not just implement technology for technology's sake.
I'm asked every day, who are our competition? And for every company, especially for the CEO, they'll say, well, we don't have any competition that's out there. We do. We have competition in all of the key areas, in use case development, in actual development of the application, in blockchain development, in DevOps. But we put everything together. We create the end-to-end process.
And I think being able to participate and help fuel that growth has been rather rewarding as a consultant. And I know, and I'm very confident in the fact that our future is very bright here at ChainNinja.
We're focused on bringing blockchain to those companies that are willing to adopt a new technology, but are willing to also embrace a new technology and see it through the future.